We've made incredible progress thus far. Not only have you learned about the vocabulary you need to talk about machine learning and artificial intelligence with confidence, you visited some of the underlying theory and built 2 models. We'll now aim to put some of this underlying knowledge to use in the context of a business decision. Specifically, we'll introduce the case of McThornton's Electronics, which will be a fictitious American electronics retailer we will use throughout this course. McThornton's has more than 100 locations across the Midwestern United States. They sell a variety of vendors' products and also manufacture and sell a variety of store brand products, which they manufacture offshore. A considerable amount of their business is done via their e-commerce platform, mcthorntons.com. This business is undergoing a considerable amount of pressure from younger, digitally native rivals, and as a result, the CEO has launched an initiative to use machine learning and AI across the business. They've tasked you with narrowing a list of 11 project ideas, which we'll call use cases, down to a short list that can be proposed for implementation. In each of our lessons, we'll focus on eliminating 1 to 2 of these use cases using the knowledge we've just gained in the lesson. At the end, we'll be positioned to make a final proposal on the short list of use cases to be implemented. The case selections will generally be presented to you in the form of 2 to 3 paragraphs, followed by a quiz exercise. We'll then walk you through our own thinking on how the information provided and our knowledge of machine learning and AI can guide us to a decision. For this first exercise, you'll have a little bit of extra reading as you get acquainted with each of the 11 proposed cases. We'll then ask you to apply what you've learned to identify the 9 use cases that best fit the paradigm shift we've been talking about. After introducing a little more information, you'll refine your results, and then we'll evaluate the problem together.